If a motorcycle can be classified an assault weapon, here you go. A 2009 Yamaha FZ-6. This bike has a 600cc inline 4-cylinder engine that develops 96 horsepower. It has a dry weight of 408 pounds. So even if it's all loaded with fuel and gas and oil and everything, fuel and gas, yep, I really said that, under 32,000 miles. So it's got an operational weight of under 500 pounds, but 95 horsepower coming out of the engine, channeled by a 5-speed transmission. 0 to 60 in, okay, I'm already going 60. Best place for that obviously is on the track, not the street. Beautiful bike in excellent condition, priced right, under 32,000 miles. Test rides available 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.